Man, I really want to wear this watch tomorrow. So we're about to knock out this video right now. Unboxing of my, as you see, Cartier. So of course, same situation. This bag is messed up, which I'm pissed off about. Because I had to travel with this bag in my suitcase and I thought it had it flat and secure, but as you see, not. It's a rip in the bag. But here it is, unboxing. Let's open up all this stuff. I haven't really went through everything. I just tried on the watch, but I haven't worn it out because I want it to be crispy when I wear it out. So they gave me some goodies. My wife was with me when I bought this watch in Europe. I got this one in, what country were we in? We were in Italy. Honestly, starting like, was it even worth it? Like, it's not like I saved that much money buying it there compared to buying it here. I'm not trying to really build a Cartier relationship like that, but yeah, but they gave me 3. I smelled this one. I know this one's a men's, the Pasha, the Cartier. And then they gave me, what's this one? La Panthère. I think that may be the women's one. Cartier Declaration. Eau de Toilette. Cartier Eau de Santos. I don't know if these even... Are they big? Not really. Let's definitely save that. Oh, let's give it a little small spray, why not? Oh, that's... I'm gonna let wifey smell that. Got an old man vibe to that. So those are the tester colognes that they gave me, which that's not terrible actually. Let it sit on my skin for a second. And then they gave me this little travel pouch, which is cool, but you would think that it'll be something like with a hard case. This is nice material. I wouldn't really use it to travel in it. I have my own watch bro that I use to like really transport my watches and travel with it. But this also has like these little pouches we can store other jewelry in. And then the pillow for the watch. This actually will work with my wife's Datejust, her Rolex, because this pillow's squishy. It can't fit on some of my firmer pillows because they're too big for her watch. Alright, let's put that to the side. I will keep this little bag though. This was kind of nice. Don't know how much more Cartier I'll be buying. I thought I wanted like some of the shades, like some buffs or something, but I don't know. I don't think I want any buffs for real. Alright, let's finish this unboxing because I don't have that much time on this memory card and I don't want it to cut off. Boom, that's that. Travel case, colognes. And here's the watch. Let's get it! That can now be put away. And here we go. Nice red box. Good quality. It's not better than the Rolex box, but it's still nice. She didn't give me the gift wrapping paper like I saw a lot of different people on YouTube get, where they gotta unwrap it. They got the white wrapping paper with the wax stamps to secure the package in place. I wanted that, but they did give me champagne and they did take care of the boy while I was there. I felt like a king, but here we go. It's the watch. Nice material. take off the protective film. It's a scratch magnet. That's why I wanted to get this video in, because I want to wear this watch, and just in case it gets scratches on it, I want this video to be without scratches on the watch. You know, I keep my little microfiber cloth on me. Crispy. Crispy! We'll try that on in a second. What else do we got? We got the warranty card. Is anything personal on here? Alright, we got that. That was pretty easy to set up. I took 3 links out actually, because there's no micro adjustments, and I like my watches to fit a little bit more snug. And then it comes with the little tool, which you don't really need. I'm not doing a review, so we're not going to dive deep into this. And it also comes with the leather strap, which you can swap out, and it has a deployment clasp on the strap, which is nice because nobody likes to deal with little buckles on a watch at this price point. And let's get this on the wrist. Let's get this stuff out the way. And there it is. I measured my wrist again today. It's 18 centimeters, which is like 7.02 inches. And that's how it looks on my 18 centimeter, 7 and some change inch wrist. Man, this thing is pretty. Been looking at this for a while. Nice bracelet. But again, I don't want to get too much into this video. This is just the unboxing. So if you're thinking about getting a Cartier Santos in a large or a medium, if you got like bigger hands and I would say 17 centimeter or bigger wrist, I will go for the large. But there it is. That's the unboxing. That's the box. That's the 2 straps it came with. And there the watch is. Beautiful. Full review coming soon. And I'm wearing this bad boy tomorrow. Haha. Peace. Now I'm back, man. That was low-key rude. I don't want to rush it off the camera, but I really shouldn't even wear this watch tomorrow because I'm gonna be out and about and my wrist will swell. But look how easy it is to add links. I just added a link, so it's like I might as well just show y'all how I do this. It has this little clasp on here. Take the rest of it off, just that easy. And you can add your link, and that's really what I just did, that quick. I added a link, and I think I'll wear it like that, but this is how you do it. So you see how, you can't really see it, but they have like these little rivets. Will it focus? You can kind of see. All you do is pop this out right here, boom. Press that button, add a link or remove a link, just like that. So I just added a link because I think my wrist may swell tomorrow because it's 100 degrees out here in Southern California right now. So if it does swell, I know I'm gonna need that extra little space so I can still be comfortable. And I don't like wearing my watches this loose really, but I think it's still straight. So yeah, peace for real. When I do the review, I'll add this bracelet. I'll put this bracelet on it so you can see it with this bracelet. And I'll talk about the specs, why I got this watch, and all of that too. But I just added a link. I'm for sure wearing this watch tomorrow. It feels comfortable like this still. And it's gonna let my wrist swell a little bit too. So I'm gonna go for it. All right, I'm out for real now this time, y'all. Thanks for watching. Peace.